Welcome back. Today I want to give you an overview of GPTease since it has been completely refreshed, as well as talk about our latest and most impressive feature, the Canvas feature. Let's get into it. I'm currently looking at GPTease in dark mode, and you can toggle this in your settings, but if I go into the prompt box and ask for a script, the first thing you're going to notice that when I send it is GPTease has this new refreshed look. The prompt that you send is in this pink gradient at the top right, and then you have this refreshed UI UX design to go through for your option 1 and your option 2. Now, once you select the response that you like, you can scroll down and you're going to see some cool new features. Mainly, you're going to notice this Edit in Canvas feature. When you go to Edit in Canvas, it's going to open up this side menu where you can now edit all of the elements of your output that GPTease AI gave you. So you can edit formatting, you can add bullet points, you can kind of go crazy, italicize, bold things, do whatever your heart desires. But the real key point of what makes this so special is that if you have something in the GPTease response that you want to change, maybe this section here, you can highlight it and click Edit with AI. Now you have the ability to reimagine or regenerate just that specifically highlighted part. You can ask it to become more descriptive. You can ask to expand on the idea, go in more depth, or align more with your brand based on your personalization. My favorite part of this is you can actually tweak that highlighted element with AI by just prompting your own custom instructions in this box below. Let me apply changes and watch the magic happen. We're not rushing this, not when I've got plans to make you beg. Feel every inch of my woo! All right, so that is definitely more sexually graphic. Mission accomplished. Once you're done editing and playing with the GPTease output in Canvas, you want to go ahead and save it. And what makes this so special is that now this response has been edited and it's been saved in your actual chat. And any continuations of prompts you do in this chat will reflect on that change you've made. So this really is going to help you fine-tune GPTease and get exactly what you want as an adult creator. You'll also notice if I highlight parts of the response in GPTease right here, a little pencil icon comes up. You can also click to be taken into the Canvas feature. Now, something else I want to show you here at the bottom. You have the options to go through the other additional responses, just as you always have. And you're also going to have these options here when you hover to restrict any explicit language that adult platforms aren't fond of, to copy, or to, of course, share with any of your friends. Now, when you edited something in Canvas, either again by using the edit feature or highlighting and clicking on the pencil, anything edited is going to go here on the left toolbar into this library. So you have your regular chat history, but you also have a library now where you can see all of your past canvases in an organized way. I think this makes it really easy for me as a creator to edit a script, to go and SEO optimize the titles or the video description and kind of keep them all combined to one place. This is where you can find your library and you can view it in gallery mode or in list mode, whatever is more convenient. Another additional change you're going to notice is that there's a microphone icon here in the prompt box on GPTease. And essentially what that means is you can click the microphone and you can speak to GPTease for the prompting process. So this way you can kind of do voice to text in the GPTease prompts themselves. Well, there you have it, GPTease's new refreshed look and feel and everything you need to know about utilizing the Canvas feature. I hope you enjoy the new updates and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.